Do you know why we age? Aging is like the quiet turning of pages in the story of life, gentle, steady, and inevitable. From the moment we take our first breath, time begins to weave its invisible threads through our bodies, shaping who we are and how we change. In our youth, those threads are vibrant and strong, repairing what is broken and fueling our endless energy. But as the years drift by, those same threads begin to fray, their strength fading as life's experiences, choices, and the natural passage of time leave their mark. Aging is not an enemy, but rather a reminder that every moment lived is a gift, every wrinkle a story, every gray hair a badge of the years we have walked through. It is the rhythm of nature, reminding us to cherish the present, even as we gracefully journey forward. Here are the main reasons we age. Cellular damage. Over time, our bodies are made of trillions of cells, each performing vital tasks to keep us alive and healthy. But every day, cells face stress from sunlight, toxins, and even normal processes inside the body. With time, the tiny repairs our cells carry out become less effective. Damage quietly builds up, reducing how well cells can function. This gradual wear and tear is a natural part of life's cycle, reminding us that every living being carries the mark of time within. DNA damage and mutations. DNA is the blueprint of life, guiding every cell. But over the years, this DNA collects errors. Every time a cell divides, slight mistakes can occur. External forces like pollution, chemicals, and radiation add more damage. Although our bodies try to repair, the systems weaken with time. Mutations silently build up, disturbing normal cell functions. These changes reflect the delicate balance between resilience and vulnerability as we grow older. Telomere shortening. At the ends of our chromosomes lie telomeres, like tiny protective caps keeping DNA safe. Each time a cell divides, these caps grow shorter, like a candle burning lower. When telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide and enters rest. This prevents damaged cells from multiplying, yet it also reduces tissue renewal. Telomere shortening is a symbol of life's impermanence, showing us how even protection wears thin with age. Oxidative stress. Inside every cell, energy is produced through chemical reactions, but this process also creates unstable molecules called free radicals. In youth, defenses keep them under control. But as we age, balance shifts and free radicals overwhelm the body. This leads to oxidative stress, damaging proteins, fats, and DNA. Over years, the damage quietly accumulates like invisible rust, slowly weakening the machinery of life. Decline in stem cell function. Stem cells are the body's builders, repairing and renewing tissues. They heal wounds, replace old cells, and maintain strength. But with age, stem cells grow less active. This means fewer repairs, slower healing, and reduced regeneration. Without renewal, tissues weaken, and the outward signs of aging appear. The quieting of stem cells reflects life's slowing rhythm, guiding us toward graceful aging. Changes in hormones and immune system hormones are the body's messengers, supporting growth, strength, and balance. In youth, they flow abundantly. But with age, levels of growth hormone, estrogen, and testosterone decline. This lowers energy, muscle strength, and bone health. At the same time, the immune system weakens, making recovery slower. The body becomes more vulnerable, reminding us to nurture well-being as we step into life's later chapters. Inflammation. Inflammaging. As we age, our bodies often carry a quiet fire inside. Inflammation. Unlike the sharp inflammation that heals, this one lingers silently. Scientists call it inflammaging. It wears on tissues and organs, contributing to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and memory decline. Though silent, its effects slowly weaken the body. Yet balance in food, lifestyle, and peace of mind can calm this fire, supporting a gentler path through aging. In short, we age because our bodies gradually lose their harmony. The balance between repair, renewal, and protection begins to fade. Cells grow weary, DNA carries its scars, and the invisible threads that once held our strength firmly slowly loosen. telomeres shorten, stem cells grow quiet, and the fire of inflammation whispers louder with each year. Yet aging is not only decline, it is also beauty in impermanence. Every wrinkle tells a story. Every silver strand reflects wisdom, and every step forward reveals the grace of life's unfolding journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep going forward.